Give me your 5 to 10 minutes to explain you how I got my first part-time accountant job on a student visa, and I had 24 hours work restriction at that time. Hi everyone, my name is Sanjay. If you are new here, please do subscribe my YouTube channel to get more informative video, and it motivates me to upload more informative content. I just finished my work and I decided to make this video in a car park. This video gonna be very raw, real, and based on my experience without much editing. So back in 2021 December, I came to Australia on a student visa to study accounting. Then I started looking for a job because I had like at that time $1,000 in my pocket. So before that finished, I had to find a job. So my first job was in restaurant in Harris Park. How I got that job is through Facebook group. I'm not sure you guys know or not, but there are a lot of Facebook groups based on the community. Like if you are from Nepal, there is a Facebook group called Kam Kotha, or like Work in Sydney or Nepalese in Sydney. So if you join there and posting, I'm new here and I'm looking for a job, if you have any job available, I'm ready to do any job, I'm enthusiastic and ready to work, then you will get a lot of comments there, and some people inbox you as well. You can get your first job like that as well, because Facebook is very helpful. Same like if you are from any other background as well, maybe your community also have a Facebook group, you can check that out always. So it was an all-rounder job in restaurant, and I was doing that job, but in my mind I was prepared that I'm not here to do this job, and in the meantime I was looking for other job. And after 1 month in February, I got a job in customer service. It was in town hall, and it was a souvenir shop. So actually that job helps me a lot to improve my English, because when I was in Nepal I never speak English. Still my English is not good, but I'm improving. I was doing a customer service job and was applying for so many part-time accountant role through LinkedIn, Seek, Indeed, Gumtree. So Gumtree, Indeed, Jora Local are the best for a retail kind of job or a hospitality job or local jobs. For the professional job, LinkedIn and Seek is best. So I was applying for the job through Seek and LinkedIn, but I was not getting any responses at first. But slowly I was improving my CV and I was developing my communication skills. Then I started getting a call. But after so many tries, after so many applies, then still I was getting rejected. So what I did is I printed out my CV. If you guys are confused how you can make Australian standard GS friendly CV, I have already uploaded one video about that. I will give you a link in the description. You can go and watch that video. Believe me, I went all of the accounting firm in Liverpool area. I didn't left any. But it was a March month, and some of them were saying like come to in June or July, so that they will hire me as an intern for 2-3 months, and then they will decide. I was living in Auburn area, and after I went to the Liverpool area, I have been in all those accounting firm in Auburn area as well. They are also asking or offering me an internship role, but not the job. And I was a student, I was paying my bills by myself, and some part of tuition fees as well. So I was not in a condition to do a internship role, and I was looking for a job. So that was the situation going on. But in my mind, I was thinking like there are a lot of accounting firm, one firm will hire me. Okay, you have to encourage yourself. And I think in around April 2022, me with my friend went to Harris Park to have a lunch, and the restaurant we went there was in front of the accounting firm. So I decided, okay, I will go there. I asked my friend, just you do an order, I'll go there and come back. So he was like, what are you doing? You don't even have a CV in your hand. So I didn't have the printed CV. So I went there inside, and then I talked with the business owner, because accounting firm is like normally very small. There will be 3-4 staff, and one owner will be always there. So you will get a chance to speak with the owner in most of the accounting firm. And I told him like 2-3 months ago I came from Nepal. I had experience of working as an accountant back in Nepal, but I don't have any experience in Australia. But I'm very enthusiastic to learn. I'm studying accounting, so if you have any vacancy, can you please let me know? And then he said, so I have one vacancy. I already interviewed one, it's in the process. So if you want, you can leave me your resume. He said that. And I didn't have resume, so I said, can you give me your email? So he said like, you don't have printed resume? I said, sorry, but I came to have a lunch there and I didn't plan to come here. So he was also surprised, and he gave me his email. I sent him in his email my resume, and he asked me some questions related to accounting standard, those things, BAS, IAS, payroll, accounting software, and like he interviewed me in a normal way. He gave me one printed book of individual tax return, where that everything was there, all the notes, like how you do the individual tax return, everything was there, and asked me to come after a week. And I studied those things and went there again after a week, and he again interviewed me about those individual tax returns. I answered like most of those questions, and he said like he will keep me for 15 days and then he will decide he gonna keep me there or not. Basically I gave 15 days of trial, like 2 weeks of trial work, and I was doing well, so he decided to hire me. So this was my journey, and I worked there for like 1.5 year, and then after that I completed my master's degree and I decided to move to the commercial accounting field, and currently I'm working as an accountant in one of the company in Australia. So this was all about it, and what I wanted to tell you is like keep trying, because I also applied more than 100 jobs online, maybe in a month, and then I went to more than 50-60 accounting firm door to door. When you go for like 50 to 60 accounting firm door to door, obviously there will be a vacancy in 5 or 6 accounting firm. The timing should be correct. Like most of the accounting firm hires in January, February, so that they can teach you and make you ready to do a tax return and all other things in a busy period, that is from after July. So this was the journey. I hope this video is helpful for you, and I will keep uploading the very informative video about living and studying in Australia as well as career related. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe me, and see you in next video.